So here we go, Fallout 4, using the Snap build mod, or Snappin' build mod. I went ahead and built this insane mansion, called it Stonehengd Bear's Mansion after my gamer tag, obviously. So we're going to go ahead and give you a thorough walkthrough. I built it all the way at the top here, a sanctuary in the back corner. I used to live in the house directly over there where I'm looking right now, and now I live here. So basically we're going to do an exterior walk around first. Kind of just, get a few angles, make a few stops as we get some views of it. But I think it's a pretty cool house. Got a massive generator there, as you can see. Just kind of trying to work my way out here to see if I can get a better view. It's a pretty decent view of the house right here. Real quick, I want to run across the lake because it'll give you the most optimal view of what it looks like. If you come up here a little bit. So, someone's on my deck apparently. It's my house from afar over here. Let's go back over. Just doing an afar walk around right now just to see what it looks like from afar. It's the same kind of styling all around. I mean, you don't have to question it. We're going to go ahead and get into detail now with the front, what I did. So first off, out here I decided to go with one of these. It's powerful shit generator fusion, aka fusion generator. It's 100 power. I ran these all along down the walls to kind of keep the wires from hanging in the windows. Got spotlight, what's it called, automatic machine gun or heavy machine gun, something like that. Well, never mind, that's a missile launcher, I'm stupid. Sorry about that. My missile launcher. And this is my heavy machine gun, 5.56. Got another one here, same ordeal here, missile launcher, spotlight. Sorry for that little confusion there. Doesn't really look like a missile launcher, to be dead honest, from here. I mean, it kind of does, but at the same time, it could be shooting like big slugs or something, I don't know. Then over here is my siren. It's like the, make noise sometimes in my town. If we're getting nuked or raided, I gotta let people know. Real quick, just show you what I did with the back. Got the same setup. It's running through that, so it comes up and over. Spotlight, missile launcher, machine gun, same setup over here. It's all like, I tried to minimalize the wiring, but I wanted an extra switch on here to control all three at once. Hence why I used an extra switch that it actually let me place right here. That's normally not there. I somehow got it there. And I wired it straight up into there. So you don't really see it and it's hidden. Makes a nice setup. Let's go ahead and actually enter my home. So we got my welcoming bear. Part of the Nuka-World DLC Safari Adventure setup. Got, my nice kitchen. Let's just take a slow look around here. Gonna just try and pan it really slow so you can kind of see it. But as we're gonna start with that. Here comes Piper. Got my elevator. I don't know why it's flashing on the 4th for some reason. We got, my power set up inside the house. I didn't know of any other way to get this to work, so I just went ahead and did it this way, where I have these here and this here. Cause yeah, just made it easier. Got my kitchen here, my table. Got my counter, radio, trash can. Got my Vim Pop, my Nuka-Cola, milk, refrigerator. I didn't really have real furniture to make a real kitchen, so this is the best I could do. Got my fish hanging. I thought it was cool to put this here for no reason. My first floor deck. Put this here because I figure somebody's going to want to eat out here at some point. That'd be pretty cool to actually sit out here and eat, and it's covered. And the typical setup here. This is where I like my dog to be, but he never shows up here. He's still chilling at my old house in the yard. This guy's fucking peeping. Let's go ahead and go to the second now. So that was the kitchen level. Here we go. This is my lounge. This is my entertainment floor. Got a jukebox, power system back there, same as the other one. Got my statues. They're kind of merged together, but it's the only way they would fit. For some reason it wouldn't let me place it any closer over there. Got a pool table. It's another power system component. Got this nice layout for my sofa. You can watch some TV. I also went ahead and wired, around the entire top of the room out to here, so we could have TV outside on the covered deck, as well as the same setup over here. Over here is my computer room. Another power pylon. My computer is just for looks right here. That thing, another PC and a desk. Let's go ahead and move on to the third. The bedroom. He's here to like rape me or something. I mean, the fuck are you doing, dude? Excuse my language, but I swear that's what they like want to do. They like stalk you in your house, even though, look, they're all like creeping out here. They're a bunch of suitors or some shit. Either way, let's go back to our tour. Got the same power system set up, barely squeezing them in on every floor. Got that there to transfer the power. Got the side things, the bed, got a TV for the bed. Got my dresser with all of the little characters I just put up during the stream, but not in this video. Got my bathtub room with the TV, because why not, and a nice view outside. Let's go out here. Apparently they love my deck here already. I set this up like this. Same setup here. I haven't really been showing my view off these decks, to be honest. We're going to go ahead and do that a little bit better real quick. Sorry for that quick jump, but it's going to go ahead and tell it to get down here. So the view from the first floor deck, I think it's pretty sweet. You're real low to the ground, so pretty much what you would see if you were standing on the hills outside. We got a nice lake back there, and a river basically. Let's go ahead and look out from the second floor now, since we already seen what it looks like, but we didn't really look out yonder. It's definitely a noticeable difference per floor. As you get higher up, it's that much more. Now you can see we're definitely higher up than normal, like height of those houses pretty much right here. Definitely a little bit better view in my view, point of view. A little bit better view of the lake. Gonna go ahead and continue up to where we were. In my bedroom that I just went over. There's the bathroom I just showed. This guy's coming in. Up here, again, we're now even higher. Now you're kind of getting like up around the higher end of the tree line, opening more view up. I really like the view over there. You got the mountains. Down there you got that. If you actually look off my deck, it's not letting me pick my weapon. There we go. You can see Red Rocket right there. That's actually where I got the Benevolent Leader achievement. You can check out that video. You can see my turret system and everything up down there. You can also see Concord, which I thought was pretty cool. It's right down there, the whole city basically, back there yonder. Let's go ahead and move on though, because ready for the biggest, most important part of my house, which will be the most attracting to anybody watching. So real quick, there's my power system, but here you are. It's kind of just like try and suck this whole room up in one picture, but you really can't. As you can see, there's all my power armors. As you can see over here, there's a bunch of outfits. We're gonna go ahead and do this. So we have Vim Pop. It's from Far Harbor DLC. We got Nuka-Cola from the Nuka-World DLC. We got this XO1 MK3 armor. We got this Brotherhood of Steel level 2 or 2 armor. I'm not sure how that's supposed to be specified, but it's 2. We got the Tesla armor here. Pretty ballin'. Has the coil on the back. You can see it right there. And lastly, I have the Overboss from Nuka-World also. Pretty sure the Tesla one is from the Automatron DLC. I'm pretty sure. I'm not 100% sure. Go ahead and look at the weapons, I guess, real quick. Gatling laser, Skipper's Last Stand from Far Harbor. We got Adam's Judgment, I believe, also from the Far Harbor Adam place, Sons of Adam or whatever the hell they're called. Here I got my Nuke launcher from Nuka-World. So here we go. We got the Corsair outfit. I went with the Institute, so yeah, I had to put one of these. I got the whatever they're called, the Adam people, their outfit right here. I got it for helping them out. I got the Silver Shroud. That was a cool quest. Volt 88, another DLC. The Assault Marine armor from Far Harbor. The Mechanist armor from whatever it was called. I just said Automatron, I think it's called, DLC. We got the Scuba outfit. Forget where I got that from, to be honest. Hazard suit, just a typical hazard suit. And space suit, which I got from Nuka-World. Galactic Zone, one of the places I think had it. Pretty much covers this floor. Out here we got the typical deck, walking in the windows. And here's my crazy bar. I mean, we like to get party out here. We have everything out here. Got some sodas if you want to make a mixer. Got beer. Got moonshine. Somehow this is red even though it's mine. I had it and I placed it here. Makes no sense, but whatever. A few beers here because we were drinking them. But here you go. Best view of the town pretty much from this deck. So you can see pretty much all the houses and the mountains back there. Really nice view. I mean, we're pretty high up now at this point. This is the 4th floor. As you can see, you got the best view out here. You can see all the way out there. I'm not even sure what the hell that is. I know it's not Boston, so it's pretty sure that's just all part of, you know, we're looking out right directly at Concord, I'm pretty sure. Yep, there's Concord there. So that's Concord all down in there, nice view. I used to think that was the Boston skyline, but I don't think that's it. It's too close. That's something else. That probably is something to deal with Concord. But either way, over here we got the the river. Over there you got a lake. That pretty much sums up this house, other than the one more floor. Let's go ahead and go up here, my attic. Basically this is a workshop. That's why I built it. It's not very lit up. They wouldn't let me put lights on the walls or ceiling, so I just put those, as you can see. Don't care for this to be perfectly lit up, to be honest. So I'm never really going to be up here anyway. Let's go ahead and start with this. We got a flamer, my weapon case, which is a Volt 88. We got junk jet, my armor workbench, chemistry station. I went with the Nuka, called a Quantum Nuka mixer station. Got my, basically a bunch of mods for robots, my robot terminal. Back there you got a generator to power the lights because they can't be operated by pylons. Power armor station, power armor items. We got a weapon workbench, a food cooking station with a fire. I decided it only makes sense to put that in. And that pretty much sums up my house. So if you enjoyed, make sure you like and sub. Stonehengd Bear's Mansion and Fallout 4 and Sanctuary. Used mods to build this. Just gonna real quick show you the mods I have just to make sure you know. I used a snap and build mod for Xbox. It's amazing, definitely highly recommended. I would have not, I wouldn't have enjoyed this as much if I did not have this mod. The other options I had before the mod were all shit for the walls and everything. I was very disappointed. Once I had this, I actually became interested. I recommend getting this because you can get unlimited items, hence you don't have to worry about, running out of items to build your house. Otherwise, I probably would have never built a house so big. Probably would have been 1 or 2 stories. I would have been hunting items the whole time. It's a cheat terminal. I got this placeable NPCs mod. Had nothing to do with this, but I'm gonna use this for my future videos. This is the lightsaber mods, aka laser sabers, and this is a mission I plan to check out. So make sure you look for that video. Either way, again, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and sub. Woo woo.